have a great adventure we'd love to take you guys on. It's a 1966 Bronco that we're gonna do a frame-up restoration. So we found this fairly locally, down south, about an hour. We saw it on Facebook marketing. We reached out to the gentleman. His father has owned it and drove it. He wasn't able to drive it about 8 or 10 years ago, and it's been parked. It's in drivable condition. It's a little rough, so we're gonna take it all apart and do frame-up restoration. It originally came with a inline 6-cylinder. We're gonna put the Coyote 5-liter. We're gonna marry that with a 6R80 F-150 6-speed tranny. We're gonna do 9-inch Ford rear end, Dana 44 front, disc brake conversion, power steering assist, complete restoration mod, and it's gonna be a fabulous build. What greater job can you have but to restore a 66 Bronco? We're gonna learn a lot. You'll probably learn a lot. Come down and see us down at the Kendall Bronco Club if you'd like to see it in real life.